Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds TCL from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your headphones. And right here at the third line we have the button Disconnect. You need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will quickly explain the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So when you select to disconnect your headset, you will stop Bluetooth connection with them, but leave them at the device list. In the future you can reconnect your earbuds. If you select to Unpair, you will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. So if you need this, just select Forget this device button. But let's disconnect them. So disconnect, and as I tell you, I stop Bluetooth connection with them, but still have them at the device list and I can easily reconnect them. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.